At 62 years old, Emily Harper thought her life had settled into a predictable rhythm. Retired from her career as a radio astronomer, she spent most evenings on her quiet farm in Montana, gazing up at the stars with the same fascination she'd had as a young scientist. She had swapped the hum of high-tech equipment for the soft rustling of leaves and the whisper of the night breeze. But one evening, as she sat with a steaming cup of chamomile tea, a faint beeping interrupted the quiet. It was her old portable radio receiver, the one she had brought home as a keepsake when her observatory closed. She had left it on, more for nostalgia than function, but now its green light blinked methodically. Curiosity piqued, Emily put on the dusty headphones. Amid the static, a rhythmic pulse emerged, a signal too structured to be random noise. She jotted down the frequency and recorded the pattern. It reminded her of the WOW signal from 1977, but this was clearer, almost as if it were waiting for her. Over the next few days, Emily became obsessed. She dusted off old notebooks, cross-referenced celestial maps, and even hooked the receiver to her laptop to analyze the signal's spectrograph. She reached out to former colleagues, but most had moved on, and those who hadn't dismissed her findings as interference. "It's probably just a satellite," they said. "Nothing to get excited about." But Emily couldn't shake the feeling. The pulse had a pattern. 3 short beeps, a pause, 2 long tones, then silence. When she mapped the intervals, they formed coordinates, a location in deep space. One cool morning, a package arrived on her doorstep. No return address. Inside was a sleek tablet already powered on. A message glowed on the screen. "You are not alone." Emily's heart pounded. She typed back, "Who are you?" The reply was instant. "We are explorers reaching out." "You heard our call?" Over the following weeks, Emily maintained a secret conversation with the mysterious sender. They shared images, strange, ethereal landscapes with skies of violet and seas like molten silver. They spoke of a planet, Talon, light years away, where time flowed differently and knowledge was preserved in light and sound. Her health began to improve. The arthritis that had plagued her hands eased. She felt more vibrant, her mind sharper. Friends noticed, but she kept the truth hidden. How could she explain that she was communicating with beings from another world? Then an invitation. "Join us." She hesitated. It was madness, wasn't it? But the signal's pull was too strong. One night, under the canopy of stars, a soft light enveloped her home. Neighbors reported a strange, silent aurora, and by morning, Emily was gone. Her disappearance became a local mystery. The media spun stories of abduction, secret romances, and hidden lives. Her farmhouse stood empty, her equipment still humming softly, the green light blinking. Years later, a new radio astronomer, young and eager, tuned into an odd signal. Amid the static, a warm, familiar voice whispered, "We are not alone." Emily's story had become a new signal, a legacy echoing through the cosmos, a bridge between worlds. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. If you want to hear more mysterious and captivating stories from the universe, make sure to subscribe to Cosmo Extreme and hit the notification bell.